This presentation speaks to Neoclassical architecture, what it is and when it started. This architecture was first introduced to North America in the early 1820s and remained in vogue until the late 1850s. It took over from the Palladian style in several different ways and introduced a new form of classicism to building design. Neoclassicism was a product of the Romantic movement, which was a product of fascination of the long ago. During this period, archaeological work was underway in Italy and Greece in an effort to understand Europe's ancient past. Architectural forms were discovered which were different from the familiar Renaissance-inspired design. What was discovered was simpler, bolder, and less ornate buildings, which quickly influenced new design in North America and Europe. The symmetry of the classicism remained along with the general horizontal proportions, moderate pitched roofs, and classical detail. The neoclassic is different from the Palladian in principle in the use of classical detail taken directly from Greek and Roman prototypes rather than from the Renaissance design. The details include Greek and Roman columns modeled directly upon the originals, Ionic and Doric, and Katha sleeves, Greek fretwork, key designed, and eared trim. Also popular were elliptical fanlights, blind arcades, and parapets along the roofline. Neoclassical design differed in the treatment of surfaces and composition as well. Palladian architecture favored pronounced moldings and surface textures, while the neoclassical favored flatter, almost linear design. Neoclassical buildings were often single unified blocks with no wings, unlike the Palladian, and on occasion in the shape of a Greek temple, which is a rectangle with a Doric or Ionic colonnade, either on 3 or 4 sides of the building or just on one short side in front of the entrance. Stone is the preferred material for the larger public buildings, and wooden brick for smaller structures. In general, floor plans are symmetrical, with the rooms opening from a central hall. Decorative details were used for interior decoration as well, which had included colonnettes around chimney openings, classical-inspired cornices, and canthus leaves in ceiling rosettes, eared trim around windows and doors, and other key designs and fretwork. Thank you for listening. Bye now.